Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 14.5 stuck on preparing installation. Unable to download and install iOS 14.5 on your iPhone. If you're facing this issue, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to check the internet connection. Simply launch Safari browser and search for any website. If it's working, then you have a good internet connection. But my suggestion is switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using cellular or mobile data, it's better connect to Wi-Fi. The second thing that we have to check the iPhone storage. Go to settings, tap on general, tap iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough free space to download and install iOS 14.5. If you don't have enough free space, then delete or offload some apps to make some space for iOS 14.5. The third thing that we have to do, reset network settings. Go to settings, then tap general, tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. The fourth thing that we have to do, turn off and turn on your iPhone. Go to settings, general, shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. Number 5. Enable and disable airplane mode. Launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now, force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the forced restart, same, go back to setting and disable airplane mode. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.